Hi and welcome to the Python programming course. In this course, you'll learn everything you need to know about Python programming. This course will take you from beginner level to an advanced level in Python programming, and you will also learn the very basics on what Python is, why you should learn Python programming, and how you can learn the language. So let's get right into it. First is the introduction. Now, who created the Python programming language? Python programming language was created by the Dutch programmer Guido van Rossum. So I'll put a link to a video where you can watch the creator of Python programming talk about why he created Python programming. Now, one of the reasons I loved about the discussion on why this programming language was invented was the fact that he created this programming language to solve a need, a problem. At the time, he was programming at CWI and needed a programming language that was not too ambiguous and the expressions were direct and succinct, and he came up with this programming language, Python. Okay, at that time he was just programming in the C programming language and the shell, but this programming language proved to become useful over time, and after a year it was open sourced and it became very popular, and now we have a huge community of developers supporting and creating marvelous, wonderful stuff with Python programming language. So what are we going to learn exactly in Python programming language? Now we're going to learn the basics of Python programming language, where you will be using the print statements to actually output stuff to your console. Don't worry, everything will be properly explained. We'll also look at how you can get Python installed on your machine, be it a Windows machine, a Linux, or a Mac. Python works on all platforms. Okay, so we'll talk about how you can install Python on your computer, and then we move to writing your first program. Then we will move to things like variables. Okay, then so we will start from installing Python. So we'll start with installation. And many more. Okay, so we would deal with the basics, which is the variables, the functions, lists, modules, loops, conditions, and much more. Then we move to the advanced topics. The advanced topics where we talk about object-oriented programming. Okay, and then we will talk about what error handling, right? So in this course, these are the topics we will be discussing. So I'll see you in the next video where you learn about how to install Python on your machine and how to write your first program, and then we move on from there. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.